Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. This is Mask Monday, and I've already been filming, but not really because it wasn't filming. The lovely Blue was sitting right here, and he got me all discombobbled, whatever you want to call it. Oh, and my dishwasher is making a lot of noise right now. So I was putting this mask on and showed you all about it. And so we'll start again. I do have on these on my eyes, the Dew of the Gods. These are dry on the outside, and I just love them, and I'm getting low on those. And then I have on this spectacular Allure Beauty Wishful line. This is called the Thirst Trap Cocoon Mask, and look at how cool that is, y'all. It might blind you. It says gentle, simple, effective, suitable for all skin types, dermatologist tested, wish list, instant hydration, softer skin, dewy glow, and soothing. So the directions are: start with clean, dry skin, of course, always. Whenever you mask, you always start with clean skin. Even if you're going to use like a mud mask or something that you're going to wash off, you still want to start with a clean base. Remove the protective film from the mask. This was on the mask that I had to take that off. This nice sort of wiry mesh to keep it in its shape, because it is like a pebbly gel. It's very interesting. And it says leave for 20 minutes and then remove and gently pat the excess formula into the skin. So this has aloe vera, hollyhock rose, caffeine, and sodium hyaluronate. And it does say on it that it is made in Korea. So Miss Huda had these made in Korea. So I have had this mask before, and it's just been a long time since I've done one, so I thought I would do it again. And look, it just fits my skin. If I wasn't talking, it would stay, you know, but then it puckers a little from talking. So I wanted to, all right, I have to announce the winner from the Ugly Christmas Sweater collab. That has ended. So, you know, keep a watch on all the channels to see when people are announcing their winners. And there's 4 of us in the collab. Carol Gardner is the one that came up with the idea. We had so much fun, y'all. We had so much fun with this collab, and y'all seem to. Some of y'all were like, you know, I've never seen a collab like this before. It was a lot of fun, I will say. It was a lot of fun. And I hope that y'all really enjoyed it as much as we did. And in the collab, it was Kim from Hanging Out with Kim, and Kim from Kim's A Little of a Lot, and me, and then of course Carol. We just had a lot of fun with it, and I thought we all had fantastic, well, my shirt, well, that's a lot, I won't go back into it, because if you saw the video, you saw the video. I thought we all had fantastic sweaters. I loved Carol's and I loved Kim's, and Kim's A Little of a Lot. She sewed things on hers. I thought hers was the worst, was the ugliest. But it turns out that y'all have voted for me to be the ugliest sweater. So mine had crazy looking cats. I mean, some of them looked possessed, and they were on top of pizza. So I wore my little crown, my little crown. So anyway, there's no big deal to it. I don't really even care that I won. It was just fun being in the collab with those other channels. And they're just all, you know, good friends of mine, and I enjoyed it, and y'all enjoyed it. That's what makes us happy. So I picked my winner, and my winner is Wavy Like the Ocean, which is Michelle. Michelle, I don't think you've ever won on my channel before, and I could be wrong about that. But I do believe I have your address because you sent me some friend mail. So get with me, dear, on that to make sure that's all still good. And then I want to discuss the Christmas treasure hunt that started on December 1st on my channel. I want to discuss it because some of you have some confusion about it, and understandable, because I even have confusion about it. One thing I said that I didn't mean to say, Camille, go on through, love, is you can, I said that you had to be subscribed to me previous to November 30th, and that I don't know why I said that. because I didn't think that through properly. You can subscribe to me on December 25th. If that's the first time you ever see me, you can subscribe to my channel and you can go back and watch all of my videos for the whole month. And if you find the items, then you can be entered to win, because you have until December 28th at noon Central Time to send me your list. And so this is what it's about. I did this last year and you all seem to really enjoy it. And it was just a fly by the seat of your pants kind of thing last year. So I've tried to specify some of the instructions so that it would make more sense. But it's tricky. So on my Advent Calendar series, which will run from December 1 to December 25, every day at noon Central Time, I will show you my 2 Advent calendars. And when I do that, I may or may not show you an item that goes into the giveaway. You have to watch the videos to see. Some days you won't see anything on the Advent Calendar video. But if you have a list, whatever is easier for you. For me, what I do is I write 1 to 25 down on a sheet of paper. And then day 1, if there's something in it, then I write what it is. Day 2, if there's nothing there, I write nothing, just so I know. And whatever, or you just leave it blank, whatever is easier for you. You don't have to tell me the days of things, but to enter the giveaway, you have to know all of the items that are listed from day 1 to day 25 as that will go into the giveaway. There won't be 25 items. It'll be less than 25 items. There will be more than 25 items if you watch my other videos and write down all of the bonus items. So like today, for example, is not today. This video right here, Mass Monday, is not the Advent Calendar video, but I am going to put something in right here. This right here that I'm using here, I have an extra one, and that will be the item in this video that if you write this down, you win, you will win that item. So this is it here. It's by the brand After Spa, and it comes this way. It's a black marble facial roller. So it's not jade, it's black. So there it is. I'm going to put it back in the container. That's how it's wrapped, and then this is what it looks like. Instead of being jade, I have a jade one also. I might have washed it. It might not be right here to show you. I have my small jade one anyway. This is what the jade looks like. I have the same exact thing from After Spa, like this, in jade. So this one is black marble. It's really beautiful, but you can use this, like they say, you could use this like more under your eyes. But what you're supposed to do with a facial roller is move out. It helps to flush your, now I can't think of what it's called. Y'all, I can never think of things when I need to. It helps to flush the toxins out by, through your lymph nodes, maybe? I don't remember. But anyway, it's very interesting. It's very interesting. And it feels good too. And it helps you to help keep your mask on. So I just want you, my giveaways are for my subscribers because I want to thank you for being here. So I'd like to have a relationship with you. And when I say that, you know, hey Mary, how are you? Hey so-and-so, good. How are you today? I hope you're masking today. You know, we chat back and forth. You maybe send me some emojis or whatever, you know. Just say hey and let me know you're here. You can even, you know, say, hey Mary, I've been here for 3 years, but I've never said a word to you because I'm just shy. But today I'm saying something because I want to be involved in the giveaway. And nobody will know that you have entered the giveaway unless you won. I will say your name if you win. When the last video will be December 25th at noon Central Time. That goes with this series. And then you have until December 28th at noon Central Time to send me your list of what you saw from day 1 to day 25 in the Advent calendar, and then the bonus items as well. And if you do that and you get the advent items correct, you will be entered to win. And I'll pull somebody's name out of a hat or a bucket or something, and that person will win. And if they can tell me all the bonus items, they can win they will win all the bonus items also. And you can send that with your list, whatever you want to do, whatever's easier for you. You can send it via Instagram, Mary Catherine Loves Cats. You can DM me, or you can send it via email, which is marycatherinelovescats@yahoo.com. So that's what you have to do. And I hope that makes sense. And just the usual rules apply, that you have to be 18 years or older. I bought all this by myself with my own money. YouTube has nothing to do with it. This is just a fun thing. A fun thing that if you are a subscriber of mine, a loyal subscriber that watch my videos, you might as well earn something from it. So, go for it. And I think that's really about it. I hope that you have a wonderful Monday. And Camille is just sitting with me here. Yeah, I love you. You good girl. She doesn't know what to make of my mask. She's looking at me. Don't lick it. So, y'all, thank you for joining us in the Ugly Sweater collab. And thank you for joining me in my Christmas treasure hunt. And thank you for being here for Mask Monday. And go, I tag Mask Monday Ladies, Mask Monday Friends, and Mask Monday, and lots of different channels do the Mask Mondays, and we have a lot of fun with it. And a lot of people do, tell you informational things on that on Mask Monday. So, y'all, let me see. I'm gonna let this go till 20 minutes, and I'll be back to take it off because I'd like to let y'all know how it did. All right, I've had it on for 20 minutes, so let me take it off. It's really nice, y'all. It feels good. Look at that. I can't even peel it up because it's fitted so nice to my skin. I love that little scent. It's a very gentle scent. And then I'm going to take these off as well, the Dew of the Gods. I wanted to show you, if you have these kinds of masks, these masks are dry here. Well, now it does have essence on there from the Wishful mask, but they're dry, so you don't want to just rip them off like a Band-Aid. You want to be very gentle because you don't want to pull on your skin. So just, what I do is sort of just hold my skin down as I move it. Don't just pull it off, because you just don't want to pull on your skin. It's not good for your skin to pull on it. And this can get quite tight on you, so you have to be gentle. You have to be gentle. And then when I'm done with this, I'm going to put some of that essence all around. See, I just sort of hold it. Okay. And then now all this essence is nice and cool and refreshing. And yeah, my eyes look a little red. They don't usually after those masks, so maybe I shouldn't have put, you don't have to put on eye masks under a mask. But I just was in the mood for an extra eye mask today. So I'll rub all this in. There's a lot. And I think there's some still in the package. So I'm gonna go and rub that on my neck and on my chest and everything, because might as well use that up. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. So y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Take care. Have a great Monday.